if the okay, it's right here. Hi guys, for today's video, is we're gonna be doing another, but I don't know what type of video I'm gonna be doing next. But I guess I had decided to film this, but actually I decided to film the thing that we were eating McDonald's, but my camera was not working, and now when we're eating ice cream today, it's working. So I'm gonna be showing you the ice cream flavor and the thing. So I'm gonna show you my brother's first because you already know me, Shane. So let's go to my brother. I want to discuss that. This is my.
Sa baba ka lang,
Yeah.
mag-sit.
And this is
Sa baba ka mag-sit, sa
brother.
baba.
This is my other brother. I'm gonna ice cream. Wait. Go to my room, guys. Ice cream, the chocolate flavor, guys. So I'm gonna put my camera. Let's eat it. My brother's has already ice cream. Tastes so super good. My favorite book is this one, guys. I'm gonna be reading it to you guys. But for today's video, wait, my book is not here. It's right here. I think this is not a book. Yeah, it's a book, but it's not a straw. It's a jelly bread by Jesus, by Big Face. I'm not gonna read it because I have a lot, and at the start I folded it. I folded him here because I already read that, and it's the thing that I fold. So I'm gonna be reading it after because we have this time limit of our using our phone. Yes, I already I woke up at 10:45 a.m. and I started eating at 10:50 because I had to fold my blanket and my brother's blanket because he doesn't want to. We sleep on the floor. It's really cold. Also, I'm getting goosebumps right now. But it's not the ghost. It's by our aircon. We literally have it 48 hours now. And here, that's where we sleep and we get out. And my brother did help today. Oh, Tiffany is still there, and she wants ice cream, but she's not allowed. So let's keep eating. This was supposed to be happy birthday, Ace. McDonald's are the best. Birthdays,
7 weeks.
she's so good. We already ate. Oh, I'm not getting goosebumps by the cold. I'm getting goosebumps by my tea and here. The cold and yeah.
Wait lang. Maka akong tissue.
Getting goosebumps.
Okay, wait lang.
Hi, Mama.
Oh, bakit ito paraan mo?
It's my mom, by the way, guys. What do you think? What do you think I should speak? My language or English language? But I prefer speaking English. Sorry now. Sorry. By the sound of the glass.
Stop, guys.
Look, guys, what I found.
Stop, guys.
150. Did you guys know mangosteen is the queen of fruits and durian is the king of fruits? I'm about to tell that to my mom right now. Wait guys. I am done telling to my mom. I'm getting goosebumps. My brothers are eating. I can't believe my brother Liam has a right slot, and he has a garden egg that is legendary. He just bought, and he has this friendly house, but it's big, guys, super big. But I also have a house, a pizza house. I saved up for that, and I don't have any ride pets. But my brother said that he was gonna give me the ride slot. Thank you, Liam. So my mom just took tissue. So guys, I realized what is this called? Because I have never known. And how do I open it? This is actually very old. When my mom wasn't even born, like my mom wasn't even born. When she was born, what? That's what I'm gonna speak in Filipino na how to explain this. Wait. Sabi na mama ko is bago siya panganak, meron na daw ganito. So my mom said before she was born, this was already out. I know how to speak different languages.
Wait.
I don't know Spanish.
Wait lang,
I have never learned.
Kami mga stickiness. Grabing labahan tayo.
I want to help you.
Stick na boy. Pick mo muna yung ano mo.
Ooh,
Pick mo muna yung
goosebumps.
water. Ay, ano yan?
I'm getting candy. Look sticky. I'm getting two. Yes, we only have two. My mom said 2 candies for one day, but I always break the rules. But my mom doesn't get mad at me. What's this? By the way, how to eat this? If you're having trouble, just cut them. That's the easiest. I always have to. They're like the same color. Yeah, they're the same color. I thought they were pigeon.
Swing.
I want to get 2 candies, guys. But we're not allowed to. Sometimes I break the rules, so that's kind of good, but I'm going to get in trouble again. I don't want to be a good and I want to be a good person, so. I'm going to get one more. To match. Just to go. I like color pink, guys. And also like color blue. That's like the same thing, but we have no blue like that. I wish, because they were my 2 favorite colors. Yeah, but I'm gonna share it to my family. I'm gonna eat that.
Follow me.
Tapos sa sarap po tiit. Ito yung para sa ano, para sa kulong.
My little brother's here. Say hi!
Hi, Rachel.
What's your name?
How's to? Hi. Ding.
Superman.
Superman.
I love this brother. He's also
Hello, Superman.
He knows countries, guys. Flag.